Chapter 1. The Boy and the Village. In a small village nestled amidst lush green fields, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He had tousled brown hair that shone in the sunlight and sparkling hazel eyes that twinkled with curiosity. Arjun was a quiet and observant child, always yearning for adventure beyond the boundaries of his village. Chapter 2. The Mysterious Bird. One fine morning, as Arjun wandered near the outskirts of the village, he spotted a peculiar bird perched on a branch. Its feathers were a vibrant shade of blue, reminiscent of the clear summer skies. The bird had a long, slender beak that curved gracefully, and its eyes were as dark and deep as the night. Arjun felt an instant connection with this mysterious creature. Chapter 3. A Friendship Begins. Day after day, Arjun returned to the same spot to visit his avian friend. They would sit together in silence, sharing the tranquil beauty of their surroundings. The bird's feathers shimmered under the golden rays of the sun, showcasing hues of azure and turquoise that seemed to dance in harmony. Arjun was captivated by its beauty and grace. Chapter 4. The Bird's Sorrow. One day, as Arjun arrived at their meeting spot, he noticed a change in his feathered companion. The once radiant blue feathers appeared dull and disheveled. The bird's eyes, once filled with life and curiosity, now held a deep sadness. Arjun's heart ached, knowing that something was amiss. Chapter 5. Farewell. Arjun tried to understand the bird's sorrow, but his attempts were in vain. The bird's visits became less frequent, and its once melodic chirping was replaced with melancholic silence. One fateful day, Arjun arrived at the spot to find the branch empty. The bird had flown away, leaving Arjun alone with a heavy heart and a sense of loss. Epilogue. A lesson in impermanence. Years passed, and Arjun grew older, but he never forgot the brief but profound connection he had with the mysterious bird. It taught him the fragility of life and the transient nature of beauty. Arjun found solace in cherishing the memories of his friendship with the bird, forever carrying it in his heart.